Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. 8. Potato beetle. The potato beetle has developed a strange way to avoid being eaten by large insects. The larvae cover themselves in their own feces. The dung is poisonous and the foul smell wards off predator. The beetle eats from the nightshade plant and it reuses the toxic substances produced by this in its feces. This defense is called a fecal shield. Feces is guided onto the beetle's back through a series of muscle contractions in the abdomen, and over time it forms the shield. 7. Boxer crab. When it detects a significant threat, the boxer crab will pack a powerful punch using sea anemones attached to its claws. They look like pom-poms, but they can be deadly to other sea creatures, and they have a strong sting. The crab waves its claws around when disturbed to ward off danger. There is a mutual agreement with the two organisms as they both benefit from the arrangement. The boxer crab gains an awesome defense mechanism that would put most other animals to shame, and the anemone becomes mobile and is able to obtain more food. The crab also uses sponges and corals in place of the anemone. 6. Eurasian roller. Similar to the potato beetle, the Eurasian roller's offspring will cover themselves in their own body fluid to avoid becoming food for a hungry animal. This time, however, it is vomit that forms the shield. The vomit-covered baby birds look and smell horrible, so they are less likely to be eaten. The parents will smell the vomit too, and they quickly fly back to the nest to ward off the threat, which is usually a bird of prey or snake. This is the only bird observed to use vomit as a form of communication. 5. Sea cucumber. Nature's most disgusting defense mechanism is that of the sea cucumber. Once disturbed, it will eject its sticky intestines and other organs out of the anus as the attacker entangling it. This dazzles and distracts the enemy. In some species, intestines are poisonous, containing a toxic chemical called holothrin. The sea cucumber's body contracts violently to squeeze out the insides. The creature doesn't seem to mind the process, and the organs are restored quickly. It takes about 6 weeks for the missing body parts to be regenerated. Number 4. Turkey vulture. When the turkey vulture is approached by a hungry predator, it will regurgitate the entire contents of its stomach. This is used as either an offering of food or to make the predators flee. The vomit of the vulture is utterly disgusting, and the smell completely puts off most predators. The vulture can then run away at a quicker pace as it is a lot lighter. Although by this point, a lot of predators would have gone already. Some starving animals will actually resort to eating the vomit, even though it is very acidic and can burn. 3. Hapatelia heathii octopus. This octopus is found in the oceans at depths of 1,900 to 3,200 feet or 600 to 1,000 meters. The Hapatelia heathii octopus has had to adapt to evade two types of deadly predators: those that hunt by looking for silhouettes created by the lighter waters above, and those which use their own light from bioluminescence. To avoid creating a silhouette, the octopus is almost completely transparent, except from its eyes and guts. However, these have become reflective, reducing their shadow. This allows light to pass through the creature, reducing its visibility to predators. However, this is a disadvantage against predators with bioluminescence such as the anglerfish, as the octopus would reflect the light, allowing the fish to easily locate it. To avoid becoming food for the anglerfish, when the octopus detects their light, it activates skin pigments. These pigments allow the octopus to change its color to red in less than a second, greatly reducing its reflectivity. This effectively makes the octopus invisible to anglerfish and other head-like fish. When the threat is gone and the light is no longer present, Hapatelia heathii reverts to transparency. Number 2. Iberian rib newt. In the previous list, we featured a frog that can break its bones through its skin. However, the Iberian rib newt takes this to a whole other level. This creature is found on the Iberian Peninsula in Morocco. When under threat, the newt will push its ribs through the skin out of tubercles on the side of its body. These ribs act as weapons to ward off attackers. Despite the rupturing of skin, the process causes no pain to the newt. In order to do this, it moves its ribs away from the spine, increasing their angle by up to 50 degrees. The skin is stretched and the bones rip through. At the same time, a poisonous substance is secreted through the pores on the skin. The spiky ribs puncture the attacker's skin and then the poison enters. This can even cause death. The newt's defense proves to be very effective. 1. Malaysian exploding ant. Although the Iberian rib newt is unaffected by its defense mechanism, the same cannot be said about the Malaysian exploding ant. The ant defends the colony from attackers by blowing itself up. Two large glands full of a poisonous chemical are located all across the ant's body, and when attacked, it will violently contract its muscles. This causes the fluid-filled glands to burst, releasing the sticky, poisonous substance from the head at the target. This substance not only entangles the attackers, but also causes extreme irritation and corrosion. This restrains the creature and can kill. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.